Recording. Okay. So we will continue with our project from the last video, and now is the hero section, right, in our header. So there is two way. Either we can put the hero section here, or we start a new section also, right, in the main. You can do any, right? It does not matter. So let's try now. So that's the header, right? That's the header. Either we can put this one div here, right, just below this, and create a hero section. So we can call it div, right? Dot hero. Yeah. But normally, it will be better, right, if we just put in the main also. Let's put it in the main. Okay. Let's keep the nav bar and all the links in the header, right, and all the main sections here inside the main. Okay. So we can call section dot hero. Let's make it the hero section. So what we need now, right, we always need container, correct, to center the things, right, to center stuff. So div dot container, always, right? That's what we have learned. Now in the container, if you look at this design, right, what is here now? This is a container, correct? Perfectly aligned, right? That is a container. Now what we have in the section, there is a background color, correct? You're gonna need one row, right, to make things flex, because parent box, you need parent box, and inside there is two box now, right? This is the one box, the first box, and the second box. See that? So I can leave heading one, right, just like that. I can leave it, or I can put in the div also. Okay. So that's what we need now, right? So let's create. We got our section. We're gonna container, right? So we have the container now already. So let me create a div row, right? Row. Div row. Div row. 1 second. Just give me a second, okay? Still there is some construction work and really disturbance. Hopefully they will be done in next couple of days. But anyway, so let's continue. Okay. So in the row now we need what? Column, right? 2 column. Okay. So div, let's make it call, right? Let's try to be more standard, right? Heading 1. And what is the heading 1 here? This text, right? So I will skip this and try to copy the text. Cannot. Refresh this page. So I'll just copy the text here, okay? Oh, I cannot copy, right? So that is the responsive layouts. That is the first one. Yeah. And there is see the call, there is different color, right? See that don't have to be a struggle, right? So I can wrap all that in a span tag, okay? Span, and don't have to be a struggle. Struggl, right? Struggle, struggle, okay? Don't have to be struggle, right? Okay, so that is our column, first column, right? So that column in here. Now we need second column, okay? Div, just call it call, right, for now. And then what else we have here? There is a paragraph and button, right? So let's do that. P tag, just add some text here, and then button. So button will be either you can use button or maybe a tag, whatever you like. So what is the button text? I want to learn, right? Okay. I want to learn. Fine. So let's design this now, right? Let's design this quickly. It looks something like this right now. See that? Now because we have heading 1 here also, right? And that is the size of our heading one this also. Okay, so we want to change that. We don't want that, right? So let's make this not heading one, but let's make it around, just put it by paragraph for now, right? P tag. Okay, because uh we have a class name nav h1 that will do the job. You can change this nav p, right? Or nav logo, let's call it nav logo, better. Okay, and change here nav logo, correct? So section hero, we got container, we got row, we have column. Now div call, that is the heading one, and then div call for paragraph and button. Yeah, I will close all this for now, we don't need. So let's continue. So first I'm going to select this section, right? So what is the section class now? That's the hero section. So let's start from there. So normally what I want, right? I want this something like this, right? Exactly, in the mobile. Okay, just keep it like this in the mobile, and then we're going to change in our media query, right? So let's do that. So in mobile, what I need is a menu. Okay, that's the white. Let's call it hero section, right? Comment that out, and now I'm going to style it here. So what is the heading? We have class name for heading one, something we have added. Do we have? No, right? Let's call it class, and this is a hero, right? So hero underscore heading one. So I want to style hero, and then I want to add here, right? This one also. Okay, so dot hero underscore h1. So what we're gonna do now? Font size, right? Let's change the font size first. So font size will be variable dash dash. So we have a lot, right? So we can make it maybe 4 or 5. Let's make that 5. The large, right? Okay. Then we have span tag, right? There is only one span, so let's change the color, right? Color to that's the color, right? This color, I believe. We have a variable. Okay, why not we use variable dash dash mix yellow, right? Okay. So now you should see the change right here. Look at that already. Okay, so next, right? Next is okay, so next what we're gonna do now? So this is the mobile, right? So let's keep it up to 800, right? Up to here is okay, something like this. We can add some line height, right? Let's make a line height to, I think, 1 point maybe 4, like that is okay. That's too much, right? 1.1 still too much, right? So we can put 0.8 0.9, right? Better. Yeah, and you want some space below, right? Paragraph. Okay, so let's give us some space. The margin bottom, correct? Margin bottom we can put 12 pixel, or maybe, yeah, 1 rem. Let's make it 1 rem. Okay, so what is the, let's add a background color and fix all the problem, right? First, so what is that? That is the sex hero, right? Hero, and the background color is variable dash dash the light one, right? Dark, light blue. Okay, and the color is white, right? So let's give a color also to white. So variable dash dash white. All right, now we're gonna fix our font, right? So let's do that also. So for paragraph, okay, so I will go here, p tag. So this is a third one, right? So this is a third. So in our design, the second has what font second has, right? Oswald, okay. And third one is regular Montserrat, right? Third and fourth is Montserrat. Oh, fourth is Oswald also. Okay. So p, let's make font size variable dash step, I can give it step 0, right? Step 0, I believe, yeah. And then what else? Step 0. So it looks something like that, okay. We can give margin bottom, right? Margin bottom of 20 pixel. So it just move down, right? The button, okay. Now in our hero, right, we can add some padding. Top and bottom 50 pixel, left hand at 0. Whose mic is on? Okay, someone mic was on. So now, so it will just get if you look at here now, right, it should looks okay now, I believe. So yeah, see, it's something like this now, right? So let's fix the button also, okay, before we go to the like a medium size and start messing up, right? So in CSS,
Hello, sir. Your screen appears small.
oh, screen is small. Okay. I will change. Okay. I'm gonna increase more, right? Let's increase the size. So I will make it 200%. Okay, and I will just leave it like that. Right? But the thing is, I'm doing the responsive design. But okay, I believe this will be fine. All right. And here also, right? I can make a little bit more. You. Where is appearance? Full screen. Where is zoom now? Appearance, primary, active, zoom. Okay, here. Okay, so that lot, right? All right, so where we are now, right? In hero h1 we got all that done. So we added some margin also in hero section now, right? Margin is done, that is done. What else is left? So the button. Okay, let's fix the button now, right? So what is the CSS for class for button? We have anything? Okay, here. Okay, let's give a class name. Hero underscore btn. I mean, we can use the same button from top, but let's style again, right? No problem. So hero underscore button. So there will be padding, right? Padding. I'll make it a little big, right? So we'll make it 10 pixel or 12 pixel. 12 will be big. 8 pixel top and bottom, left and right, maybe 16 pixel. We'll see. And then background color of variable dash mix yellow. Okay. And then, right, okay, so now we have background color. We got that. And now border radius, right? Border radius will be 33 pixel. Yeah. So it should look something like this for now, correct? We can remove now, right? We can remove this text decoration to none, okay? We can change the color also, right? Let's make the color to variable dash dash white, okay? We can apply the font, right? Font family. So why not we see here, right? I believe so all the heading, everything has font, one font family, right? So let's do here. Let's get a little clever, right? A tag, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. What else? All that they have the same font family, right? So font family, make it variable dash dash Oswald, okay? Font weight, we make it 900. Done. We don't have to worry again, right? No, I mean we have added somewhere here, but let's not worry about that now. Whatever you added. Next we don't, right? The next one is paragraph, right? Paragraph p tag. You have font family. What is the font family? Is the variable that's Oswald, right? So not Oswald but Montserrat. Montserrat. Okay. Font weight will be 400, and we're done. Okay. Now we don't have to add font family again. So let's continuously work on these things. So this is a tag, right? We don't have to worry about font family here now. It will work, okay? So now check. So it looks something like that. We can change the color, right? Color, or maybe text transform, okay? Text transform. We can make it uppercase. Uppercase, okay? So if you want to add something, right, like more space on the top, in our paragraph, remember we give a margin bottom 20. Let's make it around 30 pixel is okay. Yeah, so you just push down right a little bit. Okay, so that is the one part, right? If you want more gap between responsive and all that, so you can in header 1, right, margin bottom, we can make it maybe 1.8 rem. We can see sometimes I'm doing this also, right? Pixel, let's put it 1 point or 2 rem. Just make 2 rem, right? Better. Okay. So see now here, right? See that this things is not in center, okay? CRL and this one is not in center, right? So what is the problem with that one? So in nav item, right? Look at here. That's the nav, and then it has the paragraph nav logo, right? Nav logo, and this UL. So let's look at the nav, right? Nav display flex, align items center, justify space between, okay? So why is not center? Nav logo, font size. It just move up. There is something wrong, right? So why that is not nav logo, right? Do I have done something wrong? Nav logo, okay? That's the paragraph. When it was heading 1 was okay, right? Oh, I'm surprised, but okay, so let's leave this one heading 1 for now. But it should work for the P also. I don't know why it's behave like that. No matter what tag I put here, should be same because both are block element. Okay, that's fine. Just leave it for now. So what else we can do now, right? What else? So we're done with this one, right? So now when you go above the medium screen, okay, so what is in the medium screen, right? What we have here, we have added our own CSS, I mean some style, right? So 600 above, okay, so you select here now and dot row, right? Let me check, okay, how far we can go here. So that is we can leave it up to this fine, right? Okay, just 600 is okay. Let's try dot row, and then we're gonna make display flex and give a gap of 30 pixel. Check now. So it looks something like this now, right? In small, no, not here, you know. That when we go above, right, at the rate media mean width, what is the design saying, right? When you go 700 and 1000, right? So let's make this to fixed one, okay? 700 pixel and 1000 pixel, and we will change other one also, right, later, okay? So now dot row will be display flex and gap of 30 pixels. Let's try this. So now when you go above 700, right? So it looks something like this, okay? And you want to bring this one in the center, right? The second box, okay? So row, right? Second row in the center. Look at here, right? See, it is in the, like, not center but below, right? Bottom side. So how are you gonna do that? Even we can give the row, right? Like row 1, row 2, some size, okay? Or now, okay, let's 50-50. That is fine. Let's leave it like that. How are you going to bring that below, right? So you have to give some basically you have to give some class name here to the child row 1 and this one, right? Call, let's make it call 2, right? Call 2, select that, and align self, okay? That there is something called align self, right, for the child item of the flex box, and you make it flex in, right? Flex in. See what happens. Yeah, so you just get to the bottom, right? Okay, so we can give this box little more size, right, and bring this little, like make it 50-50 also. So you can do the call, right, like dot call, and give a width of 50% or maybe 50%. Let's see what happens. Okay, so something like that is okay also. Clear? Okay, so we're done with the second part now, right? What is the next one now? This section. So what I'm going to do, right, you guys can try, give a try, right? Give a try, and we will continue again tomorrow, okay? Just give a try for this. This part should be easy. This will be also easy, right? That is not that difficult, okay? And that's the footer section, right? So just give a try, okay? What I will do, yeah, let's work on that. Let's give a try, okay? And then we will if not, I will continue tomorrow again, okay? And that the whole project. So let me stop this video here, right?